Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting is basically setting up rules for a certain cell that will change its format depending on its contents. So you can find conditional formatting in your home page right to the middle, I'd say, to it. And here, when you click on it, you can see that you have highlights, cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, covers, icons, etc. For now, let's just start simple and introduce you slowly in what conditional formatting exactly is. If you select your cell that you want to conditionally format and you type in new row, click it, sorry, I didn't mean to type. You can see that you have select a row type. You have rules based on the values, on what they contain, on ranked values, but on below or averages, duplicate values, or determine which cells to format. So we're gonna start with a very basic one, and in other videos we're going to move to the other ones. So, and this is the one that most people are going to be using anyway. So format all cells based on their values. How is this done? So you have the type of the value, let's say it's number, and we have to score scale, okay, and our minimum value shall be 50 and our maximum value shall be 100. So here is the color scale. You can change the color from here and click OK. Now if we type 50, we type 60, and then we type 70, and then we type 80, 90, 100, you can see how our value is changing, and the background is changing as well. So this is one way to conditional format. So you can quickly scope out how the color changes by itself. But let's say that you want a different conditional formatting. So let's say if you want it greater than. So you want this cell, if it's greater than 50, to be formatted as a yellow fill with dark yellow text or whatever. I'm going to choose custom format. I want uh, for it to be in bold, first of all, like that. Uh, let's have a strike through, have it bordered as well, like so, and the border to be blue, and the fill to be yellow. Click OK. I click OK again. And if I type in here 49 or 50, nothing will change. But if I type 51, you see, oops, sorry, let me just, it has a strike through, all pretty much the formatting that we've put here. If it's greater than this, it will apply the formatting. So it's basically an if function. If the values set are met with the put on, and if they're true, it will just display what we've given it. That's pretty much it. But let me just show you one more condition formatting. Collect cells. So let's say you want it between 50 and 100, and let's say light red fill. Okay, 49 and 50, there we go. And it will be always the same until we got 101. And that's it. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and happy formatting. Have a nice day.